Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be demoing how I co-wash my Brazilian Kinky Curly hair. I did get this hair from Klassy K Extensions. What I have in my hair is a 18-inch closure and a 20, 22, and 24-inch bundle. So I do have 3 bundles and a closure in my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I co-wash my hair utilizing 3 products. If you want to see how I co-wash my hair, stay tuned. So now that you've seen how I co-wash my Brazilian Kinky Curly hair, I'll be giving you my personal opinion on each product that I did utilize during this co-washing process. First, I'll be speaking of the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair complete conditioning co-wash. What this product is supposed to do is it is supposed to leave your hair clean and moisturized. Now, while I was in the shower, as you guys seen, it does have great slip to the product. If you're not into the strong scented perfumey smells of anything that you like to put in your hair, then this is the perfect product for you. Next, I utilized the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, which is supposed to strengthen and shine your hair. I've been using this product for about over 2 years now. I utilize it on my own natural hair along with any curly extensions that I do place in my hair. I love this leave-in conditioner. Why? Because not only does it get the job done with strengthening your hair as a leave-in conditioner, but it also does place great shine on your hair. I don't know if you guys can tell on these extensions, but I think it does its job when it comes to being a leave-in conditioner. Last but not least, I have the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Coconut Curling Cream. First got this product about, I'd say, 2 years ago when I was attempting to go natural for the first time. So while I was transitioning, I was utilizing this to do my braid outs, my twist outs, and this worked great up until I got about this much natural growth, to where I couldn't manage between my natural hair and my permed ends. For me, when I got to a certain stage of my hair, when I was transitioning, it just was not working out for me no more. But now that I'm utilizing it again, since I've gotten this Brazilian Kinky Curly hair, it does wonders for the curls. I do believe that this curling cream definitely defines the curls in this hair. So I would recommend it to anyone who is natural or anyone who does utilize Brazilian Kinky Curly hair, or just kinky curly hair in general, whichever type of hair it may be. But for me, this does wonders for the curls. So as you can see, the curls are like extremely defined, and I did put this on my hair while it was still wet. I will comb through it, and then I will do some scrunching around the hair so that it can have more definition to the hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any product recommendations or anything that you would recommend for me to use on either my extensions or even when I go on my natural hair care journey, comment down below. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.
Level 29 shows.